Si Rockford College, ang focus niyan talaga is yung skills nila. Sa Rockdale kasi, mas maraming Filipino community ron. Si Rockford College, yung tuition fee natin is less 20% automatic. Bigay namin ng offer letter is actually 24 hours or 6 hours kung meron kang kompleto na
Mabilis lang.
Mabilis. Kasi
Good morning! Welcome again to a brand new episode of My Grades at Go, the Ponsel Pod. And for this morning, binisita tayo ng the one and only Sir Ramil from Rockford College. Hello sir, good morning. Welcome to Ponsel
good morning,
Philippines.
Eugene. Yes,
Morning sir.
thank you so much for inviting me here to be one of your speakers dito sa podcast natin. So,
Yes.
I'm Ramil Cortez, the Regional Marketing Manager of Rockford College sa Pilipinas and then sa Southeast Asia na rin po. So, Rockford College is actually based in Rockdale, Australia. Suburb area po yan ng NSW. So, kami po yung malapit sa Sydney Airport and also malapit din kami sa beach, sa Lisan Beach, and also we have a neighborhood na malaking St. George's Hospital. The Rockford College is only a vocational education and training institution. So, ang mga kinikater po namin is only certificate, diploma, advanced diploma, and graduate diploma for vocational. So, yung mga courses po namin is kitchen management and hospitality, information technology, leadership and management, project and program management, accounting and bookkeeping, early childhood education and care, aging support, individual support, and community service. Ngayon po yung bago namin, which is actually the civil construction and design, diploma and advanced diploma.
The preparations, ano yung mga kailangan nilang i-prepare, ano yung mga pathway na naghihintay sa kanila, buhay sa Australia, ano pa pwede nyo maibigay na tip sa ating mga viewers?
Yes, actually yung preparation natin to enroll for students here to Rockford College is basic lang naman.
Basic.
Kailangan talagang kung ano yung kailangan lang ni Bansal sa inyo, like yung CV nyo, copy of passport, educational attainment na mga documents. And then, pagdating naman sa English proficiency exam, to follow na yon. With that 4 documents, pwede na tayo magbigay ng offer letter niyan. And then, we'll wait for the PTE to get the result. Kung magkaroon na sila ng result. And also, with that, maayos natin yung GS nila o yung statement of purpose. Then, from there, pwede na sila magbayad. So, ngayon, ang isa sa ibibigay ko sa mga aspiring students natin, may mga promotions naman din kami. So, isa yun sa inaantay natin. So, si Rockford College, yung tuition fee natin is less 20% automatic. Once na nag-apply ka kay Rockford College o nag-enroll ka kay Rockford College, automatic yun. Hindi mo na kailangan maging matalino. Mag-fill out ng form, 20% na yun. Ibibigay talaga. Once na nag-grant naman yung student, yung binayad nila sa English proficiency exam, na 14 to 15,000. For example, yung binayad nila sa exam fee nila sa IELTS o sa PTE, pwede nilang i-refund yan kay Rockford College.
May parang some sort of reimbursement refund.
Yes.
That's good.
Dalawang option yon. Kung gusto niya na maging pocket money, pwedeng niyang kunin yung pera. Otherwise, cut niya na lang din sa tuition fee.
Para at least matulungan din financially ulit pabalik yung mga aspiring students natin when it comes to migrating and studying in Australia, especially focusing on Rockford College.
Rockford College.
Grabe!
Grabe. So, isa yon. Meron pa akong isang promotion na binibigay lang kay Bansal lang kasi actually tapos na yun eh. Pero so syempre this is a good partnership with us.
Yes.
Binibigyan pa rin namin yung aspiring student niya ng additional 1,000 bursary. So makukuha lang nila yan after 1 year yung $500, then after second year yung $500. Para na sa ganon yung loyalty ni students hanggang matapos, meron sila makukuha kay Rockford College.
Dito sa Philippine setting, sir, di ba, TESDA tayo.
Yes,
so ito ba, yung alignment ba nito similar in a way then?
Yes, actually may same. Ano din yan siya from the TESDA kasi technical talaga yung tinuturo. Kasi ready for employment pagdating sa vocational education and training pag natapos. Yun nga lang, may tinatawag kasing graduate visa. So it is actually subclass 485 kung tawagin nila. So kay vocational educational training o kay BET, sabihin na natin, by course kasi yan siya. Unlike sa higher education and university, pagka-graduate nila ng bachelor and master's degree, meron silang 18 months na graduate visa. While kay vocational school naman, by course. For example, yung ino-offer namin na course, yung Kitchen Management Hospitality, isa yan sa qualified to apply for 485 o graduate visa.
Pwede.
Next is Information Technology.
IT, which is
Si IT, yes, in demand talaga yan. Matagal ng course, pero
still booming,
growth, yes.
growing.
Growth mo maganda talaga. Then, next is the Civil Construction and Design. Yan, tatlo na yan yung course na merong pathway for graduate visa. Now, yung mga courses namin like Early Childhood Education and Care, Aging Support, Individual Support, Community Service, ang pathway naman niya is Employment Nomination Scheme.
Diretso na.
And then, meron silang kasama sa course yung tinatawag nating OJT, pero sa kanila work placement. So, dalawa yung option natin.
Wow.
Si students, pwede siyang mag-self-source. Kung may kakilala siya ron, sila yung company. Pero syempre, I doubt, wala pa. So, second choice natin, si Rockford na lang maghahanap sa kanila ng company para makapag-OJT sila.
Rockford ang bahala
Pero may specific admin fee rin yan siya. So, actually $500. Pero nakaka-sure na tayo na actually pwede nilang, kunyari, nag-start na sila doon mag-OJT. So, pwede nilang kausapin yung company na kung pwede, yung 24 hours per week natin na privilege to work, doon na lang sila mag-part-time.
Ang status when it comes to sending Filipinos in Rockford College?
Yun, good naman kasi ever since nahawakan ko si Rockford College, last year, yung graduation namin, it is actually on November 2025, 50% of the graduates is Filipino.
Wow! 50%.
So hopefully ngayon, yung mga viewers natin, madagdag sila.
Yes,
Madagdag
baka
sila
kayo
kay
na
Rockford.
ang susunod doon sa 50%
And good,
natin.
good thing talaga kasi kay Rockford, sa Rockdale kasi mas maraming Filipino community ron, where in fact they are doing their Filipino Fiesta dun sa beach, malapit dun.
So parang hindi sila nalayo sa Pilipinas kasi may fellow Filipinos pa rin tayo na pwedeng makasalamuha.
Yes.
Hindi natin mararamdaman na super far away tayo sa Philippines.
Yes.
Diba?
So, by the way, sir, maidagdag ko, yung pagbigay namin ng offer letter is actually 24 hours or 6 hours kung meron kang kompleto na
Mabilis lang.
Mabilis. Kasi ang admission natin is nandito lang din sa Pilipinas.
Yes.
So, they can give you at least in 2 hours kung nagbigay ka na ng mga documents na sinabi ko.
And walang problema.
In 2 hours, bigay na kagad yung offer letter.
Kayang-kaya na agad.
Yes.
Grabe, ganun kabilis.
Kasi meron akong authority na to assess muna bago yung mga admission. Then from me, bigay ko na kagad dyan sila, admission, okay na yan, good to go.
Para at least mas ma-check natin yung eligibility ng student na nangangarap papuntang Australia. Wow,
True Bansal.
Nice. Yeah, true Bansal. Kasi minsan may mga students tayo na kino-question yung credibility nila kasi for sure may magsasabi na high school graduate lang ako, wala akong mga certificate.
Yes, yan ang pinaka magandang question. So, dalawa lang yung natin dyan yung tinitingnan kung yung old curriculum, high school, the basic education, and also the higher education, yung K-12.
Okay.
So, kung yun magbabase na lang tayo siguro dun sa age. Sa age na yan siya. Kasi pwede naman natin yan through Bansal, matulungan natin si students kung paano natin supportahan o palakasin yung yung mga experience niya and then yung education situation niya. So, doon na natin titingnan. Now, sa mga K-12 graduates, yan yung gustong-gusto namin.
Sa mga K-12 graduates dyan, di ba?
Gustong-gusto rin namin
Gustong-gusto ng Rockford.
Oo, kasi siyempre, since certificate, diploma, ang starting point ng mga K-12. Pwede naman sila actually mag-bachelor, pero certificate will do. Kasi isa lang naman ang objective ng mga institution is magkaroon sila ng residence permit.
Yes.
And also makakuha sila ng trabaho. Si Rockford College, ang focus niyan talaga is yung skills nila.
Skill sets talaga, no? Which is, Filipinos are good.
Yes.
Di ba? Tayo ang hinahanap, no? Abroad, no? When it comes to different skill sets and profession when it comes to working, no? Sa ibang bansa overseas, no? Thank you so much for that, Sir Ramil. Grabe na-inform kami ng todo-todo when it comes to those aspects. That, Sir, how about refusal?
Yeah, refusal. So, maraming school, vocational school na walang na natanggap. So for us, katulad ng sinabi ko, ang motto namin is, why we not try? Try natin. Yung kami, lalo na yung boss ko, they give consideration to those na refuse. Siyempre,
Wow.
ang sakit sa loob
Oo
niyan
naman.
So tapos biglang walang tatanggap na school, 'di ba?
Tapos ang dami ng nagastos,
ang
dami
dami
ng
ng nagastos. So si
nai-prepare.
Rockford, pinag-aaralan ko, for me pa lang, dadaan na sa akin yung refusal letter. So, check ko yan and then I will make a recommendation letter sa
Okay.
admission. And then, diretso ako ngayon dun sa CEO.
Direct to direct para
Yes,
diretso
para
na
na sa
agad.
ganon, wala nang question. So, with that, nakakailang accept na ako mga refusal. So, walang problema.
Walang problema. Nakakatagos. And with that, sir, with our last question, what advice would you like to share with our Filipino audience na nanonood across different age levels?
Yes, ito yung
This is now the
pinaka-gusto
perfect
ko.
time.
Yan ang pinaka-gusto kong oras, yung magbigay ako ng advice. Ang pinakamagandang dapat nila, ang pinakaayos na gagawin nila is magplano sila ng mabuti.
You plan.
So, yes, magplano, and then mag-choose sila ng tamang, hindi lang basta in-demand na course.
Oh,
Kung
okay.
ano yung talagang may skills sila,
Doon dapat
yun yung
alignment.
kunin nila. Yes, para na sa ganon, may apply din nila yan pagdating doon sa mga pwede nilang kunin trabaho, yung 24 hours na pwede sila magtrabaho, yun yung magagawa nila. And also, ihanda nila yung sarili nila, especially sa financial.
Yes.
Kasi si Australian education is very high education talaga. Kailangan talaga na
Ma-hit ang mga checklist.
Yes, ma-check nila yung talaga. And also yung financial, hindi naman basta-basta yan. Even though almost the same na rin naman yung mga tuition fee namin with the 4 big schools dito sa Philippines like UP, LaSalle. So almost the same lang.
Same.
Oo, same lang. Pero syempre, kailangan yung ihanda yung sarili for financial requirements. And ayun, so kailangan talaga planning para na sa ganun. Hindi kasi basta agad-agad makukuha yung residence permit. You have to plan. First, to apply for student visa with Bansal. Of course, Bansal is doing their best para makakuha kayo ng student visa for that. Then from there, hindi lang matatapos sa student, si Bansal.
Yes.
So, pag nakagraduate kayo kay Rockford College, dire-diretso na yan. So, hanggang maging residence permit.
Yes. Again, yung success ninyo ay success din namin.
Yes.
Now, we just want you to achieve those goals na gusto ninyong marating when it comes to studying and migrating in Australia. Again, maraming salamat.
Thank you,
Sir Ramil
Eugene, for
from
your time
Rockford
as well.
College. And hopefully, to our viewers this morning regarding to this episode, sana na-inform namin kayo and stay tuned for our next episode. Marami pa tayong mga i-invite na iba't ibang mga partner schools regarding to your study and migration in Australia. Again, this is your Migrate Said Go, the Consul Squad. Again, I am Eugene. I am also with Sir Ramil, and see you on our next episode. Sir Ramil, let's say goodbye.
Bye.
See you around, everyone.